What's up, people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhaskar. I hope you all are fine. In today's topic, we are going to discuss about how to customize look and feel of your blog page and how to customize your post. So let's get started. So in my browser, I've already opened the dashboard of WordPress, the website. From this website, I'm going to take few dummy texts, and this is our WordPress.org. Okay, so in previous video, I have deleted all the posts we created. So let's add some new post so that I can practically tell you what I'm going to do here. If you guys are planning to purchase domain name or web hosting service, I would recommend you domainracer.com. You can visit their website and can check the plans. Plans are really very affordable. They use Lightspeed technology and provide you pure SSD disk space. Also provide you free SSL certificate and 360-degree malware protection. Also provide you 7 plus strong security features like Immunify 360 and Immunify AV plus. Okay, the customer support is awesome and available round the clock 24 into 7. Server locations are UK, India, USA, Germany, France, Singapore, Canada, and many more. Using the free website builder tool, you can build or design your website without having that much of knowledge of website building and website designing. So let's get back into the topic. So the first post is going to be for traveling. This is my introduction, the introduction of post, and I'm taking some dummy text from here. So this is my paragraph, and so let's okay, this is the featured image of my post, and I'm going to add one more image. So this is going to be my another image, and all right, I'm going to add one more paragraph over here. Okay, so let's publish and see. Okay, so this is my first post. Okay, let me add few more posts. I'm going to add second post about fashion. Fashion 2021. So this is going to be my featured image. um, Heading, paragraph, another image related to fashion. Okay, then another paragraph. So my second post is ready. Second post is ready. Now let's add one more post. This is going to be about WordPress. Introduction, paragraph. I'm going to take paragraph from WordPress website, simply copying it and pasting in paragraph section. That's it, I guess. One feature image, then one simple image, one more paragraph, and we are good to publish. So all three posts are here. So you'll notice that it is giving me number of pages and giving an option to navigate to next page. So how you can do that? So from our WordPress dashboard, simply check settings and go into readings. You will see blog pages show at most. I've set a limit of most number of post you can display on one page. So I've selected 2 and saved it. That's the reason it is only displaying 2 posts here and giving me option to navigate to next page. So this was the reason it is giving me option to toggle next or toggle previous or click on the available pages. This is how you can set the limit by clicking on settings, then reading, and then you can set the number of post here. Okay, and the another thing I want to discuss was how to change this layout, the way the blog page is displaying the post. So click on customize, navigate to layout, then under blog. So you can see list, covers and grid. As of now we have selected list, so this is showing us in list format. Suppose you select covers and publish and refresh your website. This is the way how covers display the post on your blogging page. Okay, this is same because the limit is 2, but this is the look and feel which this covers layout give you. Okay, the blurred image, the blurred featured image in the background and the text in the front, and you can click on read more to check your post. Okay, so the same way you can select grid and publish and refresh your website. So this is how grid displays your post. Okay, the featured image, full featured image, then the title, then a few text from your paragraph, and then gives you option to click on read more. The same way the second post is being displayed, and by clicking on next you can access the third post. Okay, so this is how you can change and customize the look and feel of your blogging page. And that's it guys, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video and I hope you will do it practically after watching this video. Let's meet in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, keep learning, keep searching and keep practicing.